Alright, so 2-minute Tanya tidbit for today. So in yesterday's Tanya we explained the idea that Torah is compared to water, because just like water is the same exact thing in the source, yet it comes much lower, so too the Torah is totally one and the same, the way it is down here, even though it's in physicality, as it is by Hashem himself. Today's Tanya we say that now we can understand why the Chachamim, our sages, told us that one action of Torah and mitzvos, of tshuva and good deeds in this world is better than all the enjoyment of Olam Haba. Now, the reason for this is because in Olam Haba, they're only able to get a small revelation of God's enjoyment, as they want to enjoy, and in order to enjoy something, you can only enjoy something on your level. And therefore, when it comes to Olam Haba, they can only have a small ray of Hashem's light, because that's the only thing that can come in their terms. However, in this world, Hashem did a crazy thing. Hashem accomplished that the Torah itself, as it is one with Him, is able to come down into this physical world. So when a person in this physical world learns Torah and mitzvahs, he's actually having a unity with Hashem himself, as Torah is totally one with Hashem himself. So that's much, much greater than the small ray of light which you get when you're in Olam Haba. And down here, we're able to get God himself. And that's the idea of why Torah is so special, as it's an actual connection that you have with Hashem himself. And even though someone might ask, seemingly Torah now came down to talk about physicality. Torah is clothed in many garments. But the answer for that is that it doesn't matter. Because just like if a king was hugging you, if a king, even if he's wearing many garments, it's still the full king giving you a hug. And so too when he hugs you with his right arm, he's hugging you fully. It doesn't matter how many garments he's wearing. You have a connection to the king himself right now. So too over here. Even though the Torah has many garments, it appears like it's in physicality, it's still Hashem himself which is inside of it. And therefore it's still Hashem himself. And this is the idea of what it says in the pasuk, V'yimine techabkeni. Hashem's right hand is hugging me. Because it's Hashem's right hand. Torah is called Hashem's right hand. Because it's the idea of chesed, kindness, and mayim, water, like we explained before. That Torah is the idea of water, and that's a hug from Hashem. When you learn Torah, you're having a unity with Hashem himself and a big hug from His right hand. See you next time.